In the last 3 years, I made hundreds of thousands of dollars creating, promoting, and selling digital products. And today, I'm about to show you how I'm going to create and sell one of these products in less than 3 hours.
Most people think digital products need to be 100 pages long. They're dead wrong.
Wrong. If you are creating a digital product, this product should be solving one very specific problem. For example, let's say you're an Instagram marketing coach. You don't need to create A to Z process on how to start Instagram, how to build it, how to brand it, how to monetize it, how to get followers.
You only need to solve one small problem. Shorter guides actually sell faster because people want quick fixes, not homework. Think cheat sheet, not textbook.
What also means in this process, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on, each one of these letters is one specific problem and it may be one digital product. And if you're solving just one problem, then solution doesn't need to be 20-part video course or 900 pages PDF or any other crazy thing that people are actually creating.
And the easiest way to find that one problem, just ask ChatGPT. I'll show you how.
The first thing that you will need is going to be idea of this digital product. And by far the easiest way how to find the idea for your mini digital product is just by going to the ChatGPT and asking it.
Just ask ChatGPT, what problems does my audience struggle with? It'll give you a list of pain points instantly. Pick one that's simple, like struggling with viral content ideas. That's your product idea locked in?
What problems could people in my audience actually have? And in my niche, what are faceless Instagram pages, people are struggling with lack of content ideas, zero knowledge on Instagram, growth algorithm, struggling to create viral reels or carousels, no niche clarity, so many different problems. And for each of these problems, you can create a digital product.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
And in this video, I want to show you everything practically. For that reason, I'm going to pick the number 3, what is struggling to create viral reels or carousels, but I'm going to turn it a little bit more on how to find viral content ideas, because creating the viral reels is not so hard if you know exactly what to create.
Now let's map it into a 3-step mini guide you can finish in under an hour.
So first thing, we need the content. I'm going to use this prompt where I'm going to tell ChatGPT, remember, it's a mini digital guide, so we need just the dense information. And then I'm going to ask him to act as a professional Instagram coach and think about the top 3 strategies on how to find the best viral content ideas.
Break it down like this. Step 1, reverse engineer what's already working. Step 2, expand with AI prompts. Step 3, grab trends from TikTok or Reddit. That's it. A mini guide, not a giant course.
And then to create a structure for a simple 5 to 6 page digital guide. So now let's send it and let's see what we will get. In the meantime, I'm going to grab a coffee.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program. And our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
Now here are the top 3 proven strategies to find viral content ideas. The first one is reverse engineer viral post, the most obvious one. Second one, use AI and spy tools. Not really sure about this one, but it could be something like, hey, we have the viral post and then we can extend it with ChatGPT. That's exactly what I'm doing. And then there is a leverage Reddit, TikTok for viral topic mining. So all of these are amazing.
Now let's package it into something people actually want to read. Canva makes this ridiculously easy.
Now, when the entire ebook is generated, we just need to create some nice design. So the easiest and the best way how to do that is by using canva.com, what is a free graphic designing tool. So just to show you one of the ebooks that I'm actually using that you can find also down below in the description, but these are completely for free. I was selling them before, now I'm just giving them away.
Open Canva, pick a simple ebook template, and paste your 3 steps inside. Add a bold title, a few screenshots, maybe an emoji or 2. Done is better than perfect. People buy clarity, not decoration.
But now I want to create something completely different. So as a first step, what I'm going to do, I want to search for a minimalist ebook, and this is going to give me 20,000 different Canva templates that I can actually use. And as you can see, these are already looking like the ones that you can find somewhere on the internet or on a social media. So the one that I like the most is this one, the content creator.
Now let's launch it on Gumroad so you can actually get paid for your new product.
Gumroad.com, and what you can do on a Gumroad is that you can simply create your account and then you can place there your own ebook. As this guy has placed his pro panel for Adobe Photoshop CC, I don't really know what is that one.
Just upload your PDF to Gumroad, set a price like $19 or $20 and hit publish. Now you've got a real product page with a checkout button. Copy your link. That's your instant online store.
But he basically created a product, then just placed it here with a simple graphic, with a simple text, 2 different price points, and he started selling it. And as you can see, it has 435 ratings. What if we are going to multiply? Could be around 1,000 people buying this product. What is going to translate to $49,000 to $60,000 from this product on the same exact platform that I'm about to show you.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
So if you are just starting out on this platform, what I would do as a complete beginner is that I would just go through all of these categories and I would check like what books are the best rated, how much money they are actually making, and then I would check how they actually look like so that I know what is actually working on this platform. And
next, I'll show you how to share that link and turn it into daily sales.
And that's basically it. Once you have this magic link, you can just go to your audience, to your email list. You can start running ads, start sending it to your friends that you know that they have a lot of money, or whatever strategy you know and have for finding customers and actually making money.
Share your Gumroad link, post it on socials, send it to friends, or drop it into groups. Improve your guide after the first sale, not before. Then repeat the process again and again.
Because this is the easiest way how to create a simple PDF, ebook, digital guide, or digital product and actually start reselling it using the Gumroad platform where you can just upload your product and start selling it without too many verifications, without creating any payment methods and joining payment gates and whatever just difficult processes. This is step 1, step 2, step 3, and you can go out there, start selling and making money.
And that's the simple system. Repeat it every weekend until your 9-to-5 becomes optional.
Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.